Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking safely and opening the fuel door. You want clear access and no fuel flow. Remove the old cap by turning it counterclockwise, then inspect where the tether anchored, often a plastic peg or screw inside the filler neck. Once done, clean grime with a rag so new tether bonds properly. Make sure to have the replacement tether, screwdriver, and pliers at hand. You will need to trim or thread the new tether to match the original mounting method. You now remove the anchor hardware. Use a screwdriver or small pliers to undo the screw or pry the plastic peg, taking care not to damage the filler opening. If the old tether is melted or glued, cut it close to the base and extract remaining pieces. Once cleared, test fit the replacement tether, trimming to length so the cap sits flush, but tether has slight slack. Make sure the tether's clip or loop aligns with the mounting boss for secure reattachment before final fastening. You attach the new tether using the supplied screw, clip, or a suitable adhesive. Press firmly and allow curing time if glue is used. Once installed, reinstall the fuel cap and turn until it clicks, then tug gently on the tether to confirm a secure anchor. Make sure the tether routes without pinching the door. If it feels loose, replace the anchor or use a strong automotive-grade adhesive and let it set. If persistent leaks or misalignment occur, inspect the filler housing for warped plastic or broken tabs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.